Good morning, everybody. Well, it's day 6, I think. Yep. And here we are. It's a little overcast today. And today we are headed to Huayopata. If I'm correct, it's a long drive, but we've got a few stops along the way. We're going to stop at a local town to have something to eat. And then we're going to a cacao plantation and learn how the cacao is. We're going to pick it, and we're going to go through all the steps and everything. Well, we're going to pick it if it's in season, which I'm not sure if it is. And then we're going to do all the stages, and then we're going to carry on, and then we're going to go to a homestay tonight. But first off, it's breakfast of champions. I'm trying now another energy drink they have, 360 degrees. Pretty tasty, actually. It's pretty nice here. It's so peace and calmful. Hearing the train go every now and then from here, from Ollantaytambo. And yeah, looking forward to it today. Oh, today we also hit the highest point on our journey, which is 4,000 meters above sea level. So we'll see how that goes. And it's a long, windy road. But here we go. It's going to be a fun day. I'm going to go grab some breakfast, and then we're going to meet up and then hit the road soon. Catch you in a bit. Here we are at the highest point of the road at 4,030 meters, I was being told. All that winding is back and forth is all the way up. The road was nearly completed in 2012, so it's only a pretty new mountain. It's pretty windy and definitely a little chilly up here. Definitely probably should have taken my hoodie out of my main bag. But it is absolutely amazing up here. The view is awesome. And, oh, there we go. There's the mountaintop sticking out up there. So this is maybe halfway to where we've got to go. So we've still got a bit of a way to go. That was probably an hour or so of winding up and down, up the mountain slowly. And it's just changed from trees and trees to just low ground shrubbery and little houses and farms all around here.
And the question is why these people believe in coca leaves. It's because every coca leaf represents a different world that these people believe. Outer world, Huayopata. This world of Huayopata. And the inner world of the Ollantaytambo. That's the reason why also 3 coca leaves was representing each level. And of course, that's one of the reasons that these people in every section like this, crossing from one side to the other, asking some permission to getting in these places. Because for us, these places are sacred places. As we was talking about before, still we preserve part of this. That's the reason why I brought all this stuff. Of course, if you like to join our little offering, I might say like a ceremony, you're gonna hold The three coca leaves are gonna give the three coca leaves with your hands. But how is the idea? How you gonna grab it? It's like with both hands like this, please. Okay, holding on like this. And of course, then we're gonna share the wine. It's not for drinking; it's for an offering in this case. That's why we was talking about before that. What's one of the cheapest wine that you saw?
So we just did a little sort of prayer, what most native travelers do whenever they cross a crossing. They take some coca leaves, they shut their eyes, clear their head, open their mind and sort of make a wish or prayer to Mother Nature, and just release yourself and be with nature. And then you hide your coca leaves under a rock, and then to finish the ritual, you pour some wine over it, and sort of like a little cross of formation. And it's important to butter, and it's what he does every time he crosses the ranges, just for his safety and his well-being, and giving back to Mother Nature his thoughts and prayers in a way. So it's really quite nice to see. It's like the old way still is living on with the new generations. And I probably should have brought my hoodie, but we are going back down in the valley, so we'll warm back up. But at the moment on the top of this mountain range, it's a little chilly. See you later. So this is the Trinity cacao. The yellow one is the native cacao, and there's one more species as well. The Trinity is a mix of the native and I think the American, imported by the Spanish one. This is la caigua, what we had for lunch, stuffed with vegetables. This is la choita.
That's why he's like that.
You open it up and there's little seeds in it, and you dehydrate it and use it as paints or dyeing your pastas. It's not so much as edible straight from the get-go. zapote. Sort of hardish outsell. Tropical, natural to here. Really quite interesting on flavour. This is called noni, as from Asia originally. It absolutely stinks of blue cheese. It is medicinal purpose, not so much eating purpose. And when I say blue cheese, oh, it's a rich blue cheese. Just had an amazing walk through their plantation, looking at all the different fruits and herbals and everything, and bugs. And now get some chicha marron, fermented corn beer, not too shabby actually. And she's going to show us the process of making hot chocolate from the natural cocoa beans. So yummy yum, beer and chocolate, can't go wrong. So first they roast the cocoa beans straight over the fresh fire, and they say if you eat 2 raw cocoa beans a day, it will keep you healthy and lower your cholesterol. And it's the best thing to do. But once you cook it, it takes away all those properties.
Yeah.
So we go from raw cocoa to fermented and dried in about what, 8 days? 8 days of fermenting.
Yeah, 7, 8 days.
And then
fermenting.
3
or 4 days.
3 days of drying. Then we've just roasted and husked them. They use that for tea, and that's for the chocolate. And yeah, hands are a little dirty. And Boto just sat there and did nothing. He doesn't get any hot chocolate. Now once it's all roasted, you grind it. And sounds like I'm out of breath. It's because I am. Because that's what I just did. So now we're doing a tasting of chocolate with a blend of salts and chilies and ginger and pineapple with 100% chocolate. Not a bad way to finish the day.
Yep. No.
Yeah? Tasty? Okay. Fresh hot chocolate which we just roasted, ground and cooked. Oh yeah. Very good. Nothing's better than straight fresh hot chocolate ground by yourself. With what was this bread?
It's called
Filta.
It's like the local Cuscanian panettone. Because it's sweet.
Works. Okay, doing a bit.